Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Mitsubishi ASX LS, stock reference number 5232. This shape runs from the 7th month 2010 and is the current shape. It has a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type, tailgate appears to have no damage, camera type, right hand tail light, tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.